is food dying in your fridge right now, not because you're careless, not because you forgot, because your fridge is not organized to show you what needs to go before it's too late to use. And every time that happens, every time you open the drawer and find soft produce or reach into the back and pull out a protein that did not make it, you are throwing away money you already spent. That stops today. I'm Vanessa. This is Prep and Purpose. And today we close the gap in the visibility layer because knowing urgency determines position is one thing. Making it automatic every single week is another. Watch this. Groceries come in. Most households do what feels natural. Produce in the crisper drawer because that's where it goes. New proteins in wherever there is space. Leftover stacks somewhere they fit. Looks organized. The door closes. By Wednesday, the produce in the drawer is soft because the new groceries block the view of it. The protein in the back was covered by what came in after. Monday's in a container with no label, and nobody's willing to open it to find out if it's still good. Half of what came in went in the trash by Friday. Same food, same intentions, same money spent, gone. Now watch the same groceries go in with one rule applied. Before anything goes into the fridge, 2 minutes of scanning what is already there, what has been in there the longest, what is closest to needing to go. Then new things go behind what is already there in each category. Oldest forward, newest back. Every time. The chicken you just bought goes behind the chicken that's been there since the beginning of the week. The new produce goes behind the produce that is already in the fridge. Oldest to the front, newest to the back. That one habit stops most of the waste before it starts because the things that need to go are always things you see first when the door opens. When you see them first, you use them first. When you use them first, nothing reaches the back to be forgotten. Here's why the standard category system fails and the urgency system works. When you organize by category, you're optimizing for storage. Produce in the drawer, produce in the back, dairy on the door. Makes sense when you're putting things away. Completely fails when you are trying to use things because the category does not tell you when something needs to go. Only urgency does. The chicken you bought today and the chicken that has been in the fridge for 4 days are in the same category, but they are not in the same situation. One needs to be cooked tonight or tomorrow. The other has time. A fridge that does not communicate that difference will always generate waste, no matter how neat it looks. And buying meat on sale only saves money when there is a system behind it. Without the system, the deal becomes a donation to the trash. Every smart grocery decision you make at the store only pays off if the fridge surfaces it before it expires. Here is what running the urgency system looks like in practice every week. Groceries come home. Before anything goes in, you spend 2 minutes at the open fridge. Oldest items pulled to the front. Anything with less than a few days moved to eye level on the middle shelf. Leftovers get a label with what they are and the date. New things go in behind what is already there. Oldest forward, newest back. Done. 2 minutes. And here is what builds on top of that over time when urgency organization becomes just how the fridge works every single week. The clean out stop, not because you are more disciplined about not wasting food, because the structure surfaces everything before it reaches the point of no return. The protein that was going to get thrown out Thursday got cooked Tuesday because it was at the front where you saw it the moment the door opened. The produce that was going to go soft by the end of the weekend got used Wednesday because it was on the middle shelf at eye level. Nothing dramatic, nothing requiring extra attention or effort, just a fridge that shows you what needs to go before it's too late. The food you spent money on this week feeds your household this week. That is what visibility does. That is the job it was built to do. Next episode, we build the safety net. What happens when it's 6 in the evening and prep did not happen? The base is gone and you still need to feed people. Reduce decisions, install structure, and as always, steward what you have, serve where you are, and you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.